Hey guys, it's Katie and welcome to Vlogmas Day 1.
We are now in Pkwy.
Wearing like the basic
With my eye.
Happy Vlogmas 2020 season. I am so excited to be posting a ton on this vlog channel for December. If you guys did not see my last video, I talked in the end about how I'm going to be doing Vlogmas, and I'm basically just going to be posting as much as I possibly can, but not doing every single day just because I care about my mental health and I don't want to die during the Christmas season. So I'm just going to be vlogging a lot and posting a lot with no particular schedule. So today is literally December 1st when I'm filming this. I don't know if you can see it, but it says Tuesday, December 1st. I gotta change my wallpaper. It was a fall picture. It's not fall anymore. It is 11/11, make a wish. And I'm in my last class of the day, which is just my audio video class. My school had to be virtual for Monday and Tuesday after Thanksgiving break, just so the teachers could all get tested and everything. So if schedule goes according to plan, I should be back in person school tomorrow. Let's hope they let us go back in person. I hate online school. This sucks. I slept through 2 of my classes today. But y'all know I'm done at 12, so I just need to sit through this audio video class really quick. He's just showing a video that I've already seen like 4 times. So today, me and my best friend Bella are going to be buying supplies for a surprise birthday party that we're throwing for my best friend Jamie. Jamie's birthday is this Saturday. We're throwing her surprise ugly Christmas sweater party, which is gonna be really exciting. 10 of our closest friends that we've only been hanging out with during this like quarantine season, so everyone's seen each other and been around each other. We've been safe, but we're going to get like ugly Christmas sweaters, some decorations, that kind of stuff. And it's just Vlogmas Day 1, so I'm really hype about it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to edit and post this video today. It might go up on Vlogmas Day 2. I'm so sorry. The dates are probably gonna get really confusing. Just know you're gonna be seeing a lot of my face this December. I'm also wearing a Christmas Shelly Co shirt. Let me show you. I slept in it last night, but look, it's their one with Santa hats on it, and I was like, it's perfect. It set the season. I'm gonna finish my class and then I'll update you guys whenever anything happens. So my class actually just ended. It's 11:25, but I have these 2 Poshmark orders that I need to ship out. 2 of y'all ordered stuff off my Poshmark. My Poshmark's just caitidecort. If you ever wanna check out my clothes or anything that I'm selling. I sold a t-shirt and a Champion tennis skirt, so we're gonna go put these in the mail. I have no pants or shoes on, and I'm going to my mailbox and it's 35 degrees out. This is not smart. Hot feet, hot feet. Just kidding. Cold feet, cold feet. Katie's got packages. I got a lot of packages, and we're gonna do a little unboxing. Okay, folks, you're balancing on 2 candles. Let's hope nothing happens. First is this box that says Allure Beauty Box. I did not order this, so it's probably PR, which is really exciting. It says Caiti Mackenzie on it. It's definitely PR then. Dang, this is like a subscription box. So it comes with a bunch of products, and then it tells you all about the products. Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume Curl Mascara. That's exciting. I'm running out of mascara. I was gonna buy one today at Walmart, but I got a new one. Then we have Cetaphil Deep Glow Daily Hydrating Cream. Cetaphil and CeraVe are my favorite drugstore brands. Caudalie, I have no idea if I'm saying that right, but SOS Thirst Quenching Serum. So it's like a mini little moisturizer. This one's big. This one's Mud Mask. Ooh, that's exciting. I love face masks. Leave Me on Winter Mask. So I guess it's just like a subscription box of like a bunch of mini products that you get to try out. This is Retinol Serum from La Roche-Posay. These are fancy brands. I know this one. This is Pkwy. I know this brand, but this is the Rose Oil Blend Nourishing Face Oil. This is really cool. I've never gotten PR from them before. This is a By Me X Beauty brand liquid black eyeliner. Ooh, I'll use this. I do like wing eyeliner all the time now. It's like my go-to. Normally I just do it with a little eyeshadow and put it there, but if I want it to look like really defined, then I'll do black liner. This one looks good though. I feel like I haven't done a makeup haul in so long. I'm like getting throwback Katie's Corner vibes. And this is Ciate London 9-piece eyeshadow palette. This is pretty packaging. I love getting new PR from new companies. That's so fun. Oh, this is pretty. This is just like a pinky palette. Definitely like a more up my alley kind of colors, because you guys know I don't do like colorful makeup. Pretty boring. I love this. Thank you so much, Allure Beauty Box. I'm guessing it's a subscription, so you could probably bless you. You could probably sign up and get one for yourself. Oh, this is from American Eagle. What did I order from American Eagle? I don't remember ordering anything from there. Oh, Aerie. I didn't know they shipped them in American Eagle packaging. So I got a pair of Aerie leggings. I ordered these the same time I ordered those Aerie's American Eagle. I did not know that. I ordered these leggings off of Aerie the same time I ordered those ones that went super viral on TikTok, the ones that are like shaped like a V, and I really like those. They're like very soft and they feel like you're not even wearing pants, so that's why I like them. I probably should have gotten them in a smaller size though, because they are a little bit bigger on my waist, and I got mine in a size small, so that says something. So I probably should have got an extra small, but it's okay. I like them a lot anyway, and they feel like butter. So I got these ones as well just because they were on sale, and all of my leggings are too big, or I've worn them so much that they're like pilling. So I decided to try these. They're from Aerie. These are called the Everything Pocket Legging. Here's the tag. Mine are also in a small, and they're just this really pretty blue color, and then they have pockets on the side. That'll be perfect for my phone. I pretty much wear leggings or sweatpants to school every single day, and I never have a place to put my phone, so it fits perfectly in the side. But these look really good. I'll probably wear them during Vlogmas, so I'll let you know how they look and feel. But if you want to buy those like V leggings that went viral on TikTok, I really recommend those. I like them a lot. This says Katie's Corner on it. This is probably merch. Yes, it is. So I ordered my little cousin Ansley a merch shirt. She literally texts me all the time asking for it, and it was supposed to get here before we went to the beach for Thanksgiving. If you guys didn't watch my Thanksgiving vlog, watch it. It did not get here in time, but it just came in. So here is her Katie's Corner purple princess t-shirt. She's a little girl, so this is like a kid's size, but honestly, it looks like it could fit me. Ansley, next time I see you, you will get this. Speaking of merch, I'm running a discount code all throughout Vlogmas for the first 25 days of December, where you can get 10% off if you use the code VLOGMAS10 at checkout. 10% off literally everything on my website. So if you're looking for good Christmas presents, we have blankets, beanies, sweatshirts, hats, stickers, t-shirts, literally everything under the sun. So if you would like to purchase anything, tell your parents there's a 10% off discount code VLOGMAS10. So that's my mini unboxing haul right now. Now I'm gonna eat some lunch because it's 11:33 and I'm hungry and haven't eaten today. So I just made a smoothie for lunch. It's really good. It's like pineapples, bananas, and like almond butter. It's really, really good. I just posted a tutorial on my private TikTok. So many people have been asking for it. So if you can see from here, that's it. But if not, you're gonna have to find it. I'm gonna eat my smoothie for lunch and just chill. Hey! Guess what day it is?
It's day one of Vlogmas!
Yeah! Hey! The Christmas PJs.
I just want to jump on the trampoline and show everyone I'm on a trampoline.
Okay.
I'm on a trampoline!
Guys, that's my best friend. I haven't seen her in 2 years.
I know.
Tell her to get her butt up to Georgia.
Mama DeCort and Mama Amberg, let's go!
It's now 3:10 and I'm gonna pick up Bella and we're gonna go get all the stuff for Jamie's party. Ugly sweaters, decorations, like a few things like that. But I was putting on an outfit and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna wear my basic white Air Forces. I have not worn my basic white Air Forces in so long because I literally have like 8 pairs of custom ones, which is super, super cool. But I literally have not worn my white ones, like just plain white, in so long. So I was like, this is a monumental moment. Of all pink shoes I could wear to match my outfit, of course I'm wearing like the basic ones. But here is the outfit. It's really boring. I'm just wearing some crew socks. These are the Aerie leggings. I did a review of them on my private TikTok and everybody wanted to see them. They're pretty nice. They just feel like really soft and everything. I feel like the V doesn't do much, but it's still cute. And then I'm just wearing this Champion sweatshirt. I cropped it. So that's what I'm wearing. And then the white Forces. And we're gonna go pick up Bella. Supposedly we're gonna hit Five Below, Walmart, Target, and Goodwill. I don't know, man. This is gonna be a lot of shopping and I'm very excited about it. Hello guys. So we are now in Five Below looking for a bunch of just like things for Jamie's birthday or for the birthday party. Looking at shirts. But Bella brought me a mask and it matches my outfit, so I'm kind of happy about it. I should do not. So Bella went with a green theme for Jamie's thing.
It just happened.
It's really cute though. So it's just like a basket of all green things. And then her blue Fanta. We're at Walmart and look at the soda. Ooh, isn't that called a poinsettia? Oh, that's awkward. Okay, we're looking for ugly soda. I see them. Yeah. So we're out of Walmart and I'll give y'all a little haul when we get back of some of the stuff that I got, and then Bella got some stuff too, both for Jamie's party. But now we're gonna go to ChickfilA because it's 5 and we're gonna get some din din. I'm very excited about it. And it's so cold out. I know. My fingers are freezing. Like, let's go get some food.
Keep the windows up.
Yes. Okay, good. Am I making you frigid?
Yes. Feel my hands.
Oh, that's a little bright.
I went to the eye doctor and they said that I need to start wearing my sunglasses more.
For what?
Like something with my eyes, they're gonna die.
What? There's no one in the line.
Because it's 4.
It's 5.
Chick-fil-A people are gonna be like, what is this girl doing?
Yeah, what's new? Hi, we're good. Can we do 2 separate orders, please?
Yeah.
Can I please have a Chick-fil-A sandwich deluxe meal? But can I have no tomato and honey mustard with that?
Can I get a sandwich meal with a peppermint chip shake, Chick-fil-A, and honey barbecue sauce?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
When are you posting this?
Probably tomorrow.
What? Jamie.
I know. I'm gonna tell her she can't watch it. It's Vlogmas.
No!
I'm not gonna spoil it. She just can't watch it. Jamie, if you're watching this, I'm gonna kill you.
You're dead. We know where you
You're
live.
dead. We know where you live. We will refund your party. Here comes Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus. Right down Santa Claus Lane. Pulling out the rain. Hi, Nick. Thank you so much. You too. Thank you. Okay, we gonna grub now.
Okay, there's a creepy man, so yes.
Where?
Over there. Right there. He's literally.
Oh God. That is a scary man. I did not see him. Did I go somewhere else?
Yes.
That is just not happening. Nope.
And he kept staring at us. He wouldn't look away.
No, 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 no. I don't think so.
You're welcome, Katie, for saving your life.
I was looking, I was like, where? And then I saw him, and that's not happening. Okay. Well, now we're gonna eat with no scary man staring at us. Well, I'm home from dropping Bella off and getting all of our stuff for Jamie's party. Jamie's mom has a bunch of stuff and Bella has a bunch of stuff, but I'll show you guys what I got. From Five Below, I got the star backdrop. If you guys don't know, Jamie's favorite thing is like stars. Like that's her thing. You know how mine's is like sunflowers or the color yellow. She loves stars. So I thought this would be really pretty just to hang on the wall as like a decoration. I know she'll love that. Then I got these earrings that we can wear. Okay, well one of them just broke. It's a little unfortunate, but we just got these earrings that Bella and I are gonna wear. I have to decide which ones I'm gonna wear and then she can wear whichever ones else. It comes with these snowmen, these Christmas trees, and then these reindeer. But those reindeer are a little broken now. They were really cheap though, so it doesn't matter. And then here's my ugly Christmas sweater. This is what it looks like. It has a Santa holding a glass, and I think it's so funny. It's really big though. This is the smallest size they had, and it's a large, and look how huge it looks. It's a very ugly Christmas sweater, but it's gonna be perfect for the occasion. And then we got one for Jamie, and Bella got one as well. I finished up Jamie's basket of like the stuff I got for her. I'm not gonna go into detail, but you can see a few of the things, but that's the haul of today. I really hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas day 1, and I'm so excited to be on this Vlogmas journey with you guys. I'm just gonna work out and then go to bed because I have to go to in-person school tomorrow, so that'll be interesting. I love you. I hope you're having a very merry December, and I'll see you guys next time for the new Vlogmas video. Subscribe if you're new, follow all my social medias, and peace in the Middle East.